We're here, an abandoned mansion. Doesn't look that old, but here it sits. 4 garages, 4 kitchens, I don't know how many rooms, and a ridiculous amount of skylights. Crazy. Let's head inside and check it out. We're out here chasing history into the darkness in search of adventure and the occasional sunset. So mask up, it's gonna be a wild one. I think they need one more satellite dish. 4 is not enough. So we're here, an abandoned mansion with a spiral staircase and a flooded basement. So you can see this room. It's rad. This place is really deteriorated. The house itself doesn't seem to be that old. Huge kitchen. Ooh, here we got a sunroom. It's even got blinds on the ceiling. Oh, look at the basement full of water. Still on the first floor. Look at this staircase. And this weird baby carriage. Huge walk-in shower. And a tub with a skylight. There's another kitchen down here. How many kitchens is that? 4? So there are an excessive amount of kitchens in this house. There are also an excessive amount of bathrooms and an excessive amount of holes in the ceiling. They left all their stuff. Lots of lotion. Kind of weird. Lots of bathrooms. That's quite a unique style they got going on there. Very unique style. I'd say it's a little flooded. Oh, this is a hole to the outside. I was like, why is it so cold here? Lots of rooms, all smell awful. Didn't bring a mask, but wish I did. Look at this. It's like straight out of a horror movie. Ick. Stinks too. This place isn't nearly as big as I thought it was. Here's the front door. Plumb full of stuff. So we're gonna walk down the stairs so you guys can see the flooded basement. It's super exciting, and you can see all the mold. I'm gonna hold my breath. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, that water is so stale. Okay, I gotta go back up. Oh my, that's so gross. Let's see what's in the garage. The aristocrats. The aristocats. Not much left in the garage. It does look like maybe at some point they were going to work on it, but it's been a long time. And you can see there's water damage everywhere. I don't even know how it gets in this bad of shape when it's just not that old. So it looks like they've got another garage down here. 2 garages. So 2 garages on that side, 2 garages on this side. It's even got a new garage door opener. Newer. This goes down into the basement. I'm gonna hold my breath. It did go down in the basement, but you can't see. Okay, I think it's that time. We're gonna get out of here. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and as always, be safe out there.